both sides.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Can you straighten your arm out and try to do it like that, like you're flapping your wings? Okay, thank you for that. All right, now go ahead and lean back. Have you ever had your neck adjusted in a chair before?
No.
All right, so pretty simple here. Just want you to lean back. So I'm going to contact the back of your occiput here. It's going to be right there. I'm going to move this a little bit. Actually, before I do this, I'm going to put this block behind your neck. It's going to help stabilize your neck. Okay? Right there. So I'd like you to scoot down a little bit in the chair, all the way. There we go. And just rest your head back into my jacket. There it is. All right. Actually, maybe scoot up a little bit. Up towards me. Sorry. There you go. All right. There we go. That would be that block in there. All right. So I'm going to contact the back of your occiput right there. All right. Now, you got to tip this all the way so we can pre-stress it. I want you to take that, uncross your hands. There you go. There it is. Very good. All right. Now, let's see the range of motion again with your shoulder.
Going out or?
Both the motions we
Okay.
did. So you can bend your elbow and the other one. And then bent elbow, like that. So about a 50% improvement.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Very good. All right, thank you, Jessica.
You're
All
welcome.
right, come over here, Haley. Let's